Hello everyone, welcome to Lydia's Cooking Hacks. In this video, I'm going to show you how I love to make a family bulk meat pie or chicken pie. First thing I do is to clean up the environment where I'm going to do the cooking. So let's go into the main food. I started by frying onions with little oil, and then I'm using chicken for this recipe. The chicken that I'm using is lean ground chicken. I fried the onion a little bit. I added the chicken and then I fried and cooked until I make sure the chicken is completely cooked. And then I added some seasonings, and after adding the seasonings, I allowed the seasoning to infuse for like 2-3 minutes, and then I added the vegetables. So now I'm going to mix the meat pie dough. I'm making a lot, and because I don't have a mixer, I'm going to do it in small batches to allow me to do all the mixing without hurting my arm. So I'm using a 4 course measurement, and I'm going to do that different times to get the quantity I want. I want to use this opportunity to thank you for your hard work and support. My viewers, subscribers, friends, and families. If this is the first time you're watching my video, I want to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I think this is the best time to. And if you love this video, please hit the like and love button, and we will appreciate that. For the egg washing, I'm going to do it 2 times. The first one will be before I start baking. After 6 to 7 minutes of baking, I will bring it out and wash the second time, and that will be it. I'm going to bake until it's baked, light brown outside, and probably cooked inside. And that's it. You bring them out from the oven, keep them on your rack until it's cool. Then you can enjoy, freeze it, keep it in your fridge as long as you want. I love to make lots for my kids, for lunches, for snacking, for dessert. It's always handy to have meat pie at home. When you're tired, you can cook. You can grab one, eat, and have some tea, and that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.